guys, it's your girl, Sweet Curly Goddess, and I am coming to you today with a current review on my current install. And yes, girl, it's dreads again, it's dreads. I actually have dreads installed currently because I want to send a shout out and a thank you to Silky Strands hair store. So they actually sent me 6 packs of these locks to review, and the brand or the actual locks are called the Bohemian Mambo Goddess Locs Crochet Hair Extensions Curly Faux Locs Synthetic Braiding Hair. So it is basically the goddess lock trend that is going on right now, and if you watch my last couple of lock review videos, you know I just did some goddess lock reviews. So it's actually very similar to the other brands that I use. So I'm going to jump right into it, and I'm going to tell you the pros of this hair, any cons if I found any, the color that I currently have installed, and just in general, if you are interested, where you can actually purchase this hair. So jumping right into it, let's talk about the texture of this hair. So first of all, I have 6 packs of hair installed right now. This is actually installed as a wig unit. So I got 6 packs of hair, and I decided rather than doing an install on my head, I will do on my actual individual crochet braids. I would actually do a wig install, and I actually think that it came out pretty good. I made sure I had some leave out, so I put some crochet locks in the front, and I did this install with 6 packs, 24 pieces in each pack. I currently have a style 1B, and right now they have a 1B available and a 1B30 available if you want some color, you know, some spaz, something, jazz it up a little bit, put some color in your hair. If you want that, they have that going on for you too. The length of this hair is 18 inches curled, and honestly it seems like a little longer, so if you like long length, this is definitely the locks for you. And I was saying I was going to talk about texture, but I started talking about the packs. But going back to texture is completely silky, so it's extremely soft to touch. So you could just touch this hair, and I mean, you know it's synthetic, but it feels nice. Like, I just want to do this all day. That's how nice it feels. It feels like a cloud, and I really like that about the texture. Another pro that I will say is the curls at the bottom. So I like curls. I mean, hence the channel name, Sweet Curly Goddess. I love curls. So there's these curls at the bottom, and I'll probably post a picture over here so you can kind of see a better view of the curls. They are more of a spiral kind of curl. It's very pretty. I really like that, and it's towards the end of the curl. And another thing is just the consistency of the locks. So most of the locks are actually about the same size. I found maybe 1 or 2 that are different sizes, and that's actually pretty good, just because if you have locks and you want them to look realistic, you actually want them to be kind of different, varied in sizes, because as perfect as someone who does locks might be, you won't have the same locks, same sizes all the time. So I really like that. And another thing is the frizzing there is no frizzing so far. I'm not quite sure, because this is a wig and it's not on my head as I sleep and all that good stuff. So I'm not sure about how it would be if it was on your actual cornrowed head, but as of now, like, it doesn't look like it's something that would frizz pretty easily. I think it's pretty okay. I mean, there's a little frizzing on these curls, but that's not nothing. It's synthetic hair. Synthetic hair is supposed to be frizzy, you know. Synthetic hair is not perfect. But The only con that I think I would have with the hair is the volume. So I would like probably a little bit more volume. So an average install would be about 6 packs. You can use about 6 packs to install the hair, but I personally would use about 9 to 10 packs of hair just so I can get more fullness, more volume, and just more to it. Honestly, that is probably the only con that I have with the hair. Other than that, it's pretty much, I would recommend this hair, and I'm not saying I would recommend this hair because they send it to me to review. I actually think that this hair is pretty nice and is very comparable to the other Goddess Locs that are out there currently. So I think it's a good hair. And just a couple more information. So if you would like to purchase this hair, I'm actually going to be leaving links down below so you can purchase the hair. You can actually purchase it on Amazon. They have a store on Amazon and also on Aliexpress. It is coming from China, but I actually received this hair pretty quick when they contacted me. Between the time they contacted me and between the time I actually received it was a pretty good timing. Maybe a week and a half, maybe even shorter. I really can't remember the actual delivery date. And I think that's pretty much it. So again, the name of the hair will actually be in the description down below. It is 2X Bohemian Mambo Goddess Locs Crochet Hair Extensions, Curly Faux Locs Synthetic Braiding Hair. I think I said that already. And that's really about it. Each pack, you can purchase each pack. Down below I'll leave the pricing as well because I don't see the pricing on here. I think I've seen something about $6. I could be wrong, I'm not sure, but everything will be down below. If you have any questions or comments, I'll be more than glad to answer them for you. And as of now, this hair, would I say I'd recommend it? I give it a thumbs up. I would recommend this hair for its silkiness. It's soft to touch. It's really nice. So if you're watching this video wondering if you should purchase this hair, go right ahead. I say go for it. Go for the gusto and purchase the hair. Alright, bye guys. Thank you for watching my video.